Get up, drop it.
Ow, sticks are hitting me. I give him a thumbs up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright, Brock, go.
Storm Drizzle Movement Vlog Documentary Season
4.
Part 1.
Part 1.
So,
It's been like
Mitch is here.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm back in the Huge. It's been like 1 week. But it's Labor Day, so I was like, okay, I'll come home and visit everybody. Because everybody in Washington was leaving. And 3 months with her. That's not that important. But got to see everybody, so that's cool. Where are we, Brock?
We're at Mass United Arena watching the women's volleyball.
Women's volleyball.
We already watched the football game except for you and Allie.
Yeah.
We all watched the football game.
Yeah, who's here? Here's Brock. And Ariel. And Kelsey.
Hey.
Haven't seen her since forever.
I know.
And Derek.
Hi.
And of course Braden.
And the bush. Oh, Mad Jam.
And Allie. And moi. Did I already say you?
That's good.
The gator and the bear. But yeah, so we're back just for like the weekend. I'll probably see him today, all tonight. You're a gift. I like it. It's the gator. Someone's having too much fun with Braden right now. Oh my god, listen to this song. Oh my gosh.
Crazy. This is so perfect.
That's too great. So yeah, having fun. We'll be at their house later, Jack in the Box and all that stuff. So we'll check in with you later.
Your face.
Deuces.